Today what we are going to see is how to install a screen protector on the Ather 450x. This is the screen protector which I got it from Amazon, and let's see what's inside. This is the screen protector. It comes with alcohol wipe and microfiber cloth. This is a sunboard piece. I'll tell you what is the use later. And it's always good to have an extra cleaner with you, because the alcohol wipe might not be enough if there is a lot of dust on the screen. And just spray some cleaner on the display. Clean it completely until there is no dust, even in the corners also. You can always try the alcohol wipe if you want. Make sure there is no dust present on the display. Now we can remove the black film from the screen protector. You need to properly align it so that it doesn't go out of the display. Once you align it, you can use the sunboard piece which came in the pack and slide it down slowly. And make sure there is no dust, and if there is dust, you'll have air bubbles. We had a small dust and there's air bubble. We cannot do much about it. It's a small thing. Don't worry about the scratches, because that is an extra film on the screen protector. We'll be removing it. I had cut my nails recently, so it was little difficult to remove the film which is on the top. I had to get my colleague's help to remove the top film. After removing it, it looks really neat. It's a matte finish. The display will not be as sharp as it was because it's a matte finish. The display will be a little blur. That's fine. Still, the display looks good. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.